When it comes to choosing which chords to use when accompanying a piece of music, a traditional tune in the Dorian mode, a good start is to use chord 1 and chord 7. So if we're going to apply this to the key of D Dorian, 1 would be D minor, and the 7 is C, which is the note before D in the scale. Because if you count from D to D, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, that's 8. So from D to D is 8, that's an octave, and the 7 is just the letter before it in the scale. So let's say we were trying to work out what two chords to use in the key of E minor. You take the E, and then you take the note before E in the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, so you'd be using E minors and D majors. You can do this with any, if you're going to do the key of A minor, you use A minor and G major. But the key we're focusing on is the key of D Dorian. And we're going to be doing that first without the capo, and then you'll see you'll apply the capo, just like we did before with the tunes in the major key. We worked out how to play well in the key of D major, and then by putting the capo on the 5th fret, we were playing the key of G major. So we're looking at the D Dorian mode, and we'll be using the D minor, which is your chord 1, and the C major as your chord 7. Another place that you could play that would be the D here, 5th string, 5th fret, 4th string, 3rd string, 7th fret. And then to get the C, we just move back 2 frets. So your D, 3rd string, 2nd fret, your C major. And if you notice that time I played the D without the middle finger, you can play the chord that way too. There's no 3rd in that chord, so it actually doesn't sound major or minor. Sometimes people refer to this as modal or a D5 chord because it's only made up of the root, the D, and the 5th, the A. There's no 3rd, which decides if it's major or minor. And it works very well for traditional music. Then you go for your C, your chord 7, or your 1 here, your 7. There's lots of different places where you can get these chords, and we look at them throughout this video. Now the next thing is to be able to identify when there's a change from where you would use a D minor and where you would use the C major.